Et voilà, bonjour, bonsoir. Je dis à nous pour le partager avec vous vidéo birthday Lucy. Nous te font une fête, pas fête, parce que nous pas qu'à faire fête grand-papa, spécialement dans le moment ça. Et nous connaissons Flo pas grand chire et tout. Rete à la fin vidéo ça, ou après une vidéo image Lucy avec maman. Nous connaissons maman mourir ça. Je songe maman pile, c'est toujours un moment tristesse le n'a célébrer pas là. So rete branché et puis garder avec nous jusqu'à la fin.
Merci pour tout un happy birthday yo.
Lucy dit merci pour tout happy birthday yo. Ok, so nous allons ouvrir cadeau pour Loulou. Ou pareil Loulou?
Oui, moi parle.
Ok, ça Lucy a fait un bon jour là. So Loulou, qui ça vous pensez, qui ça vous pensez mamie acheter pour comme cadeau pour fête? Livre? Je vais pas acheter livre pour Loulou. Ok, ouvre regardez pour. Oui, mamie pas pleurer non parce que nous va pas gaspiller papier. Look at her face.
So this one is toilet. Dump Trump.
It says dump Trump, toilet paper for Trump. I know you would like that. Lucy, you're politique. I'm going to have women, sir. The women buy ça, you want.
Matter.
That's, I don't know.
It looks cool.
Yeah, when you open, it's like, c'est like putting clay. The women buy qui pour ka peser, pour ka
The unbelievable.
relax.
Slime.
Yeah, she loves. The women slime up people.
Oui. Moi j'aime slime en plus.
Women slime up people.
More slime.
Mais t'as acheté 10 000 $ slime pour Lucy.
Squishy.
Yeah, ça c'est pour qu'elle mette clé. Loulou pas gen clé, non?
And you can put it on your
Nan valise.
keychain. Another one. Squishy.
Tout se ba pour qu'elle pèse parce que li toujours vraiment j'en des jouets de ça yo.
Putty. Orange green putty. And you can get different types: liquid glass, precious magnets.
Ça claire dans lumière, dans fait
This
noir.
one is Krypton.
What does that mean? Qu'est-ce que ça veut dire?
I'm not sure. This one's soft, slow motion.
Yes, I remember yo.
That looks cool.
Lo pèse yo. Nous avons l'autre gift pour encore, oui, Loulou. Moi et ma papi achetons l'autre cadeau pour.
I like the Orby ones a lot.
Yeah, I know. Remember ça, yon pile. This en créole, Lucy.
Squishy.
How do you say? How do you say? I like that a lot. Qui j'en dis ça en
Moi
créole?
j'aime un pile.
Ça c'est calendrier. Parce que you always asking, qui jolie aujourd'hui, mamie? Qui jolie aujourd'hui? You always ask.
There's something on my foot too that was in there.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Thank you.
Oh, ça yo c'est si.
Hand
bye.
sanitizer, which I definitely need.
Hand sanitizer m'acheter pour lui.
Probably smells like candy because there's candy on the cover. And then a flower.
Yeah, li va reme flower. No, that's why she's laughing. Li va reme flower. You don't like
And then
flowers,
another
Loulou?
flower.
Yeah, li va reme bay ça yo. Li va reme bel ti bay.
Moi parliament. And then Papa got me one.
Oh no, not papa. Ça c'est moi mais ma papi qui achète pour.
No.
You'll see first. This is for you.
Ok. Li toujours ouvrir cadeau avant ou ouvrir cadeau les moun ba cadeau. Deuxième gift là c'est moi même ma papi qui acheté pour lui.
$100.
100.
From Grandpa.
Oh. $100 grandpa pour
Tell
everybody.
Grandpa I said thank you very much.
Yeah, make sure I pay crayon
And
let
then
pour
it
the
said
grandpa.
time
Miss.
to celebrate.
That's
And
nice.
then it says, "Hi Lucy, it's all about you today, and and all about happy birthday, Lucy, Grandpa, and Denise and Sophie."
Oh, that's sweet.
Yeah.
Mami a besoin de $100 Loulou?
Here.
$100 pour mami?
Thank you.
$100 pour mami Loulou?
No.
Wish. No.
And then this one says, "To Lucy Joyce, like from Mommy and Dad."
Yep, ça c'est pour mami à papi qui ba oui.
So it says, "Happy birthday," and that has Snoopy on it. It says,
Can you read Daddy's handwriting?
"Yeah."
Okay.
Lucy, this gift is from both of us, Mommy and Daddy. Enjoy. Just dropping by with a little wish for some big time birthday fun. Enjoy your day. Love, Mommy and Daddy.
Now, what do you think it is? Where Daddy, Poco Balili. What do you think it is, Lucy?
A walkie-talkie.
A walkie-talkie? Oh my God, let's see. Oh my God. Mpi konta pase loulou. An nou wè si se walkie-talkie. Ouf. Li toujou bezon un chien avec bagay sa. Nap wè si lap kontan.
A phone!
Yes! Oh my god. You like it, Lulu?
Yeah, I've always wanted a phone. Thank you.
You're
Here, hold it
welcome.
up. Let me get a picture.
Are you happy, Luz?
Yeah.
You grateful?
Mm-hmm.
You're very grateful.
Samsung Galaxy.
That means you can talk to whom?
Everton.
Everton. Everton says Zamili. It's Zamili. Papi a pon photo, mwen mbag en photo.
He has a Samsung too, so I could also FaceTime easier. FaceTime. I want
Bon Dieu.
Bon Dieu, veni manger à Ahmed.
Oh my God, Lucy. People bullying, no? You gotta do it real hard. Fell fort. Vamos tu. Comme ça.
Oh, so like you have to put your hand like where the hole is?
You have to put your hand right here. Right here, and then drag it down. Look, from here to there. From here to there.
Thank you. Like this?
Mm-hmm.
You have to press hard, honey.
Okay.
It has to slip off from one to the other.
Got it. I don't know how to do it.
Huh?
I can't see that either.
Okay, I'll take a look.
Guess which slime I like more? The pink one or the blue one?
Blue, because you don't like pink.
No, the pink one.
Oh, because why?
Because the blue one's a bit sticky.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Et puis pink la gan ban ti jouet ki caché en dedans. You see all the toys?
Yeah.
Un ban ti jouet caché en dedans.
I like it's hot. Can I let it cool down? Flick. I can't do it. Let me
Look at mama first. Okay, make your wishes. Yay. Bonjour, bonsoir, c'est Flo de Beauty and Brains Girls. Jeudi a moi décidé partager avec vous quelques vidéos de Lucy, moi pensais que t'es perdu. OK, moi joigne yo. So, on nous regarde ensemble, redébrancher. Merci. On suit. Yummy, yummy. Kiss, kiss. You like the bone? Kiss the bone. Yummy. Monkey, show me your nose.
No,
No. Show me your mouth.
no,
Show me your ears.
ew.
Oh, please don't touch your ears with your chicken hand. Never mind. We'll just wait until you clean up before you show your body parts. Let me see that piece of bone. Imaj sa nap gade la, se te premye fwa mwen bay Lucy manje. Li te kon bwe bibon, e pi m deside bal manje an fig. E pi li te realman reme fig la, li pat katan mwen pou mette lan bouch li. Pase li te habitue a bibon, li habitue jen manje la. La pou la, so li tap kriye, so m te realman amuse bi ap gade li. Yeah, I think we're gonna buy her like. I think I'm gonna make more food for her.
Yeah.
She's liking it. She doesn't understand that she has to wait.
Yeah.
Like it's not the bottle, Lucy. You gotta wait. Oh God. I'm shocked. I didn't know she was able to swallow. So apparently she can swallow.
Yeah, that's the important thing. They said that as long as children can have the swallow reflex,
she does. I didn't think she would though. This one is too big.
Yes.
What did they say? As long what?
As long as the child can swallow, it's better to start feeding them early.
Yeah, if they cannot swallow, then it's a choking hazard. And
exactly.
Oh, Lulu, you gotta wait, sweetie. It doesn't work like that.
I think she wants milk.
Yeah. Huh? Daddy doesn't want to try this banana thing anymore, huh?
She likes it.
Mookie, get down. Oh, God, she's gonna get hurt. She's gonna get hurt. You saying it, Lucy? You are... Go ahead.
To mean, tears to see, you always say I dreams.
You are...
You are so beautiful. To me, kiss to see, you always say I dreams. You are so beautiful. To me, kiss to see, you always say I dreams.
Yay! Good.
Grandma, I am not your friend. Mba change ou encore. Cause ou ba la iti. Pour le que mouchoir maré. Ah, ben chaise nan del chita maman. Chaise ti grand moun. Chaise nan del chita. Cause ba ka chita pou kont li.
Beautiful.
La priye? Are you about to cry, Lucy? Uh-oh. My mother says she loves when she does that, covering the lip. Oh. Oh, you know what Mommy's going to do now? It's time to film Lucy. Hey there, little bear. Are you ready to see Grandpa? Why is she turning around like I'm behind her or something?
Lord,
She thought she blew it.
I know she did. Oh,
yeah, you blew it. Wow, Lucy started to show interest in toys. Oh, don't cry. Don't get frustrated. Belly time is good for you. Yeah, you wanna... Yeah?
E mesa. Não range mesa. Começa a ajuda.
Don't say that, babe. She is. Lucy, nose. Good girl. Yay! Nose. Show me your nose. Show me your hair. Nose. Mouth. Neck. Feet.
All right. I was
Teeth.
wrong. We're going to Harvard.
Teeth. Yay! Bravo! Lucy, bravo! You are so smart. And she's not even what?
Not even 1.5.
Not even 1.5.
She is smart. She's incredibly
Mookie,
smart.
hair. Show me your hair. Hair. Nose. Mouth. Neck. Feet. Feet. Uh-huh. What else she knows again, babe?
Teeth.
Teeth.
Yeah.
Belly. She doesn't know belly yet.
Belly,
Oh my
yeah.
God, she
Belly.
does.
Belly.
Belly. Avant de commencer, s'il vous plaît, bay vidéo ça yon pouce en l'air, abonnez, quittez un commentaire, sonnez cloche là, encouragez yon zami, yon cocotte pour abonner, et puis finalement partagez toute vidéo nou yo à la ronde bade sur toutes réseaux sociaux yo. Merci. Pour moun qui nouveau sur channel là, nom c'est Flo, moi c'est un professeur l'école. Actuellement, moi retourner l'école pour me venir apprendre un nutritionniste. Un nutritionniste, c'est un monde qui étudie qui vitamine, minéral, qui ne mange yo, et qui genre vitamine, minéral ça yo ka soutenir vaisseau sanguin yo. Vous passionnez des informations politiques, santé même genre avec moi, s'il vous plaît, retournez brancher et puis explorez channel là. Merci. On continue. Tout pas oublier activer notification cloche là de quoi l'en afficher en vidéo pour pas rater yo. Ensuite,